Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fixed task manager is not responding, not opening or disabled by administrator. First method is press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape keys. Second method is press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete keys. Third method is type GP Edit in Windows search bar, click Edit Group Policy. Click and expand Administrative Templates under User Configuration, click and expand System, click Ctrl, Alt, Del Options. Open Remove Task Manager, if enabled change to not configured. Fourth method is type Computer Management in Windows search bar, click Computer Management. Create new user and log in with that user, check Task Manager is working or not. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.